It's me, Super Squishies here. Today I have two squishy packages, but they're both really small. They're like this size, which I'm not going to show you the actual things of these because my edges is on and too lazy to block them. So we're going to start off with this one. So I'm going to, okay. So I'm going to rip it off because I don't have scissors with me right now. Well, I do. They're literally right over, like 10 feet away from me. Actually, like 3 feet away from me, but I mean. So these, okay, so they are my macaroons. You guys get the first look. Well, I did actually already look in it. So the first one, is this blue one. Super duper cute. They are so dense though. But they're kind of soft. So I'm going to take it out of this little, actually, okay, because it's refillable. Oh, actually it is pretty soft. Kind of like rubbery-ish material. It does not smell good. It smells like China paint because I ordered it from China. Probably why, guys. So there's that color. I do not know what the next color is. These came in random colors, but you guys can take a peek. It's green. I love the color green, guys. Green's my favorite color. So I love the color green. I got a green. This one's actually pretty soft and squishy. The blue one was really dense, though. Kind of soft. This part is kind of like an elastic band right here. It kind of feels weird. It's very textury right here. So yeah, they are both the same. And I think that's all I got from that package. I think I'm not positive, so I'll just take it more quickly. Yep, all I got, guys. Sorry you can't see me. No, you can't. Okay. The next package, also too lazy to put tape, so I'm gonna do that. And then, oh yeah, perfect. Where's the opening? Package. Okay, here it is. Okay, so it's huge. Guys, it's my... I forgot I ordered this thingy. It's my replica peach, and it is humongous. Guys, this is... They had no eye bloom peaches, so I had to get this replica. Oh my god, and it literally looks like a butte. Got that peachy scent going on. I forgot I ordered this. What could it be? Because I mean, I forgot. Is there anything else? No. But guys, it's so rising. It's not an eye bloom, but I mean, it's almost that eye bloom. And it smells like peaches, like in that scent. Guys, it's so soft. I didn't think it would be that big. I thought it would be half because it was only $4 or something. And I ordered it off of Amazon. Guys, it's a peach. It smells ridiculously good. But I am noticing some defects, but it's okay. It's very cracky down right here. But other than that, I love this thing. Okay, so there is that, and I don't know. Here, basically do a comparison on Punimaru or this stinking thing. It's not even a good brand, but literally amazing. Let's do it. Just to go a little over the, we're also doing it with this Pure Blue strawberry, guys. Like, okay, so, ready? This is so soft. We'll do it with this one first. Actually, no, we'll do it with Punimaru. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, guys, the peach one. Guys, the peach wins. Okay, now I think the strawberry's gonna be, guys, I don't know which one's softer. Guys, this one's a little bit softer because this one's more textury on the back. Guys, this is so rising. Let's squish it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, wait, I gotta wait for time for the comparison. 3, it's still rising. Oh, well, pretend it's not. Like, we'll do it right here. 3, 2, 1, go. So this one by a little bit, but it means, guys, I love the squishy. Which one's not? Don't know. No, I'm not gonna bite it. I mean, it's not a real peach. Super, super soundable, and I love that sound. Guys, this is a stinking peach. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Me unboxing these 3 things. And yeah, overall, I would rate this a good